All right, player one, let's boot up the ultimate strategy guide for the game of money. So, is your financial character bugged? Like you're grinding for hours but not gaining any XP? Well, the psychology of money is the patch you need. It's going to level up your entire game. Let's break down the gameplay. There are 5 core levels you absolutely need to master. Okay, level 1, understand your starting zone. This totally shapes how you see the money game. What seems crazy to you? Well, it makes perfect sense if someone else started on a different map. Level 2, you've got to respect the RNG, the random number generator. We just call it luck and risk. See? Bill Gates got a legendary luck roll. His friend, a critical risk roll. Same force, different outcomes. Now for a tough boss fight, the Never Enough monster. It moves the goalposts every single time. The strategy? Don't risk your essential gear for some optional side quest. It's just not worth it. Level 4 is the magic, the compounding combo multiplier. This is how time supercharges your score. Just look at Warren Buffett. His biggest power-up wasn't just skill, it was playing the game longer. And level 5, spec your character right. Getting rich and staying rich, 2 different skill trees. Getting rich is all offense. Staying rich, that's defense. Your main quest, don't let your HP hit 0. Okay, you've mastered the basics. You know what that means? A secret level has been unlocked. Here's the cheat code. Tails, you win. A few epic wins can pay for all your failed quests. Theory is cool and all, but let's get to the walkthrough. Here are your first 3 quests. First, build a safety buffer. Then, define your endgame. And finally, spec for freedom. That's the ultimate prize. And hey, since you completed this explainer, you get a loot drop. A 1-page strategy guide is in the description. If this guide helped, go ahead and hit like and subscribe to boost our guild's stats. Let's do this.